Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Southwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful Gulf access home that I bumped into it. I was looking for open houses and I found this one. And since you guys are always asking about me doing videos on modern homes, well, for all you guys that want, here it is. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this home. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 full bath, a den. As you can see, a triple car garage, a beautiful pool, and inside is very different to the common videos that I do because it's very, very modern. So let's go inside and take a look. As you come in, you're welcome with this nice hallway, and here to my left, you have the entrance to the den. And check it out, it has 2 double glass doors. Is this different or what? As you can see, it has a closet and a very nice big window on this side. So this could be turned into a 4th bedroom if you don't want to use it as a den. So that's pretty nice. Okay, as we continue here, you're also coming into this beautiful open concept room here. And you have your kitchen, your dining room at the end over there. And over here you have your electric fireplace. Okay, so as you can see, the room is very spacious. It has a very nice cool fan over here on the top. Check it out. And let's go over a little bit the kitchen right now, so we'll take a closer look. Over here you got your wine refrigerator. Check out all this counter space. It's very nice, and you got places to put everything here. Over here, check out the stainless steel refrigerator, and here's your cooktop with your water for the pots. You got your ovens over here, and it's in this area here. That's where your dining room will go. Very bright. And let me go around this side so you can see how this cabinets look like. Let's first stop here at the sink. Check out, it's very nice, stainless. Here you got your dishwasher, and let's check out this cabinet drawers here. Check out how nice, how big they are. Pretty cool. Now let's take a closer look here. So those doors are all over the place here, so you have a lot of space to put your pots and pans. Here's the nice refrigerator, and here's your laundry room. Laundry room comes with a nice sink and your washer and dryer. Okay, now let's take a look at the garage. This is a nice triple car garage. As you can see, the floor is completely nice and painted and beautiful. And over here is your AC system. And back here is your water heater. So let's keep rolling here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the home. Okay, here's your refrigerator again. Check out the nice open space that you have. Now we're gonna go ahead and check out this guest bathroom over here. Okay, yeah, it also leads to the pool. Check out the nice countertop and mirror. The nice enclosed glass for the shower. It's very nice, very elegant. And back there you can see the glass door that leads to the pool. And we're gonna go ahead and do bedroom number 1 here. It's a pretty nice size room. I hope you can visualize it on the video with really high ceilings. Over here's the hookup for the TV. It's already come ready, so that's nice. And here's the closet. Nice wood shelf. Now we're moving into the 2nd bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious. Has a window. And as you can see at the end of the room, you have a full bathroom there. But first, let me show you around this room here. You can see through this window, you can see the Gulf access canal in the back. Nice closet. You got your hookups for your TV. Now let's take a look at this beautiful bathroom. this beautiful waterfall countertop. Also check out this shower. Very fancy. This home is very fancy. And also the mirror. Check out the mirror. Okay, now let's walk over to the master bedroom. And I want to tell you something. I'm making a playlist that I'm going to put at the end of this video with all the open house tours I have done in the last 2 weeks. So they're brand new videos, and they all have on the description, they all have the price and more info. And that link that you have there is a live link that when you click on it, you can see the status if it's sold, or you can see what's the price at the actual time that you're watching it. So now let's go ahead into the master bedroom. As you can see, it has a nice window over there. You got the sliders here to the left. Let me get around here so you can see it. And that door leads to the pool, so that's nice. You actually have a view from the pool when you have your bed here. And it also has the hookup for the TV on the wall already set. Nice fan. And now here you got a closet number 1. Good size closet. And on the right, you got closet number 2. I think it's a little bigger than the other one. Now we're heading to the toilet closet. It has a slider for you to open and close the door. And then here you got your bathroom's vanities and with a nice sink on both sides. So you have a sink on both sides, so it's big. And now you have a walk-through shower with benches on both sides, so that's really neat. Let me show you here the showers. You got 2 of them, and look at the bench over here with the controls on the side. Show you the other one. It's identical to this one. Okay, now let's take a closer look to this tub. Very nice big tub with all the controls there. Well, now we're gonna go head over to the pool area, and feel free to tell me what you think about this home. For the price, remember, I always put the price on the description below with a live link, so that way you can see the house status, if it's active, if it's been sold, and price. Okay, you will see the price. If it changes, the price goes down or goes up, it's a live link. So anyone that stops at this home anytime, they can go to that link and see if the house is sold or what price does the home have at the time that you're watching it. Okay, so here's this beautiful area outside. It's no columns in the middle, so you have the view of the canal in the back. Beautiful. It's an intercepting canal here, so there'll be a lot of boat traffic going up and down when you're relaxing outside in this beautiful area here. And back there at the end, you got your barbecue area. We're going to be walking towards to take a closer look, but let me first show you this intercepting canal here. This is the side of the home, and then you have boats coming from this side, from over there, and from over there. So very nice. And you can see the house is very high from the water, and this pool, it's just beautiful. Well, the temperature today, it's kind of, we had a cold front, so the temperature today is probably 65. I ain't gonna be jumping in it, even though it's heated, but not for me. But the good thing about Florida, most of the time is in the 80s. So check out the kitchen. This outdoor kitchen, it's just beautiful. You have your barbecue, you got your sink, you got your cooler there for the wine. Nice. This is what Florida living is all about. If you have a lot of guests coming, they're gonna have a ball in this house. And now let me show you a little bit back here so you can see the space that you have. And check out the view. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be making a lot of videos this month, so if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you will have a specific home style that you want me to film, feel free to contact me. You could write it on your comments there, or you could give us a call. Also, we'll be doing some other homes around Southwest Florida, so stay tuned for that. Now, like I promised you before, this is the playlist with all the open house tours I have done in the last 2 weeks. Remember, if you would like to know the price or the status of the tour, on the description on that video that you're watching should be a link that will give you all that information.